up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I figured it'd be a perfect opportunity to do a little POV driving of the SRT-4. For those of you that don't know, I have a 2005 SRT-4 that I've had for almost 4 years now, 3.5 years. I bought the car, 60,000 miles, bone stock, and since then I've done everything from front mount intercooler, catless downpipe, 3-inch O2 housing, 3.5-inch straight pipe with a resonator. It's got a upper hard pipe with a blow-off valve delete, stock turbo, stock internal, stock tune. So really it's pretty much stock power. It's probably just a hair over stock, which I think factory they're 250 horsepower. So I gotta be somewhere in like the 260, 265 maybe. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna head out east of Las Vegas. I looked on the map. There's like a back road, windy road of some sort that I think might be a decent opportunity to get some footage of me driving the car. I just moved here. I've only taken the car out one time since I've been here, believe it or not, and it was to go to work and back. So I'm excited to get out there and drive this thing on some of these roads. Hopefully the road that I've picked by map is a decent, and hopefully there's not a lot of traffic. It's 9 a.m. so I can't imagine it'll be too much traffic, especially considering it's a Sunday morning, but I guess there's only one way to find out. Let's get it. A little cold start. Sheesh. Thank God this car has air conditioning, because this would be brutal without it. Make sure my garage door is shutting. There it goes. Alrighty. I'm gonna get my GPS set up, get out on the road, then I'll turn the camera back on so we can explore. I gotta say, we do not get views like this back in Maryland, Pennsylvania area. Well, maybe a little bit, a little more greenery, but I don't know, something about this dry climate, man, and seeing like the mountain ranges in the distance, it's pretty badass. All right, we are in. Super straightforward. It's definitely hard to see with this camera in your face. It's quite the setup. Woo. I don't want to catch up to this car too quick. What a view. Come on now. It's crazy out here. I have only lived in Las Vegas for, I got here June 7th, and it's a different lifestyle. You know, I grew up on the East Coast my whole life. Obviously, I've traveled like a lot. You know, I've been to multiple countries between here and Australia, you know, but to be able to stay continental United States and really see what the US has to offer is, I don't know, I think I get more joy out of that than traveling overseas, just because this is so readily available. You know, cheap flight. You think you spend 250 bucks on a flight, you can go a lot of places in the country. About the SRT-4 is the A-pillars are so big. Like, you cannot see around these things for nothing. They block your view like something serious. camera, but all the way out there in the distance is the stratosphere, which is the, I guess, the north side of the strip, which is pretty crazy. We'll just cruise a little. Another thing I've noticed about Las Vegas, that's a pretty cool view right there, is the traffic lights. They take forever to turn. Like, we'll sit here for 10 minutes, so I'm just gonna cut sitting here out of the video. Also, I've noticed in Las Vegas specifically, I don't know about the whole state of Nevada, people regularly drive without license plates. Like, this guy has no license plate in front of us. There's nothing in the back window, clearly not a tag attached. I don't know. Seems kind of strange. Well, I mean, maybe it's not strange because everybody seems to do it. All right, guys, we made it back to my house in one piece. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It was a pretty straightforward, pretty easy drive. The canyon or the desert drive that we took, I've never been out there. It wasn't nearly as windy as I would have hoped. It's more of just a road through the desert. I've never actually done a POV driving before, so that's my first time ever wearing the camera. I'm using the GoPro mic on this thing, so hopefully the sound quality is good. I do have an external mic for the GoPro, which I typically use. I didn't go through the whole hassle of setting it up on my hat and stuff, which if I'm editing this and the video sucks, like too bad, I probably just won't edit the video, or I'll edit it and next time I'll use the external microphone. But if there is a spot in Las Vegas that you think is better for cruising, you know, for a POV video type at least, let me know in the comment section down below. I'd love to check it out. I don't know anything about the area. I don't know anybody out here, so I'm just trying to figure it out on my own, do as much research as I can, which there's not a whole lot out there. So yeah, other than that, guys, definitely like this video, subscribe to the channel to stick around for more SRT-4 content and E30 content, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.